So, you're a designer with skills, passion, and an eye for detail. But why do so many talented designers struggle to build a profitable business? Over 60% of creative startups fail within 3 years, not for lack of talent, but because of avoidable business mistakes. Today, we'll break down the biggest traps that derail design businesses before they even get started. No matter your creative field, these insights will help you build a business that's both creative and sustainable. By the end, you'll have clear strategies to sidestep these pitfalls and level up from creative to design entrepreneur. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the next pitfall, here's your invitation to join a growing community of designers just like you, ambitious, curious, and ready to take their design business to the next level. If you're finding these insights helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more design entrepreneurs and keeps the content coming your way. Got questions or want to share your own experiences? Drop a comment below and connect with fellow designers in the community. We're here to support each other, share advice, and celebrate every win, big or small. The first big mistake? Skipping the business plan. Many designers jump into client work, thinking their portfolio will do the talking. But without a plan, you're building on shaky ground. A business plan isn't a boring formality, it's your North Star. It forces you to answer tough questions. Who's your ideal client? What problems do you solve? What services will you offer and not offer? Without this clarity, you become a generalist, competing on price and struggling to attract high-value clients. Your plan defines your brand, values, and mission, guiding every decision as you grow. It's the difference between a memorable brand and just another freelancer. Goals matter too. Where do you want to be in 1, 3, or 5 years? Write it down. Your plan turns vague dreams into concrete, measurable steps. It also covers strategy. How will you find clients? How will you price your services? What sets you apart? When you've thought this through, you're ready for any client question. Financial projections are non-negotiable. Even a simple forecast helps you set realistic prices and plan for growth. This moves you from "I hope I make enough" to a proactive CEO mindset. Action step. Don't overthink it. Open a Google Doc, outline your mission, target audience, core services, pricing, and financial goals for the next year. Spend a few hours on it. This clarity will save you months of confusion. Don't wing it, plan it. That's how you build a business, not just a portfolio. Start simple, but start now. Your future self will thank you. Ready for the next pitfall? Let's go. Mistake number 2, ignoring your finances. Many creatives avoid spreadsheets and tax planning, focusing only on the work. But running a business without knowing your numbers is like flying blind. Underpricing is a common symptom. If you don't know your expenses, salary needs, or tax obligations, you can't price your services correctly. This leads to overwork, underpayment, and burnout. Not tracking expenses? You're leaving money on the table and have no idea what it costs to run your business. And taxes? Don't let them sneak up on you. Set aside 25 to 30% of every payment for taxes, every time. Cash flow matters too. Even if you're profitable on paper, late client payments can leave you unable to pay your own bills. Financial planning means understanding payment cycles, setting clear terms, and building a cash reserve. Without this, you can't invest in your business or make smart decisions. Action step. Open a separate business bank account. Track your income and expenses with a simple spreadsheet or tool like Wave. Automatically save a portion of every payment for taxes. Research what established professionals charge, not just freelancers on job boards. Price your work based on value, not fear. You don't need to be an accountant, just start tracking. Take control of your money, and you'll take control of your business. Don't let finances be your blind spot. Next, let's talk about getting clients. Mistake 3, believing clients will just find you if your work is good enough. Many designers rely on word of mouth and a pretty portfolio, but that's a passive, unpredictable strategy. This leads to the feast or famine cycle. Busy one month, crickets the next. Marketing isn't about being pushy. It's about communicating your value and building relationships. Your portfolio shows what you can do, but marketing tells clients who you help and why you're the right fit. Without active marketing, you have no control over the quality or consistency of your clients. A structured marketing plan lets you attract the clients you want, not just whoever shows up. In today's digital world, you need to show up where your clients are. LinkedIn, industry blogs, podcasts, not just Instagram. Think of your portfolio as your showroom. Marketing is how you get people in the door. Action step. Pick 1 or 2 channels where your ideal clients hang out. Commit to a simple, consistent schedule, post a case study or tip each week, and engage with potential clients daily. Build a portfolio site that includes testimonials and case studies, not just images. Consistency beats intensity. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Go out and invite them in. That's how you build a steady pipeline and avoid the feast or famine trap. Ready for the final pitfall? The last big mistake? Working without contracts and clear boundaries. Many designers skip contracts to seem easygoing, but that's a recipe for disaster. Verbal agreements leave you open to endless revisions, delayed payments, and scope creep. A contract isn't about mistrust. It's about clarity and professionalism. It defines deliverables, revision rounds, timelines, and payment terms. Without it, you risk doing extra work for free and chasing payments for months. Good clients expect contracts. They see them as a sign you're serious. Setting boundaries is just as important. If you answer emails at midnight, clients will expect you to be available 24/7. Boundaries protect your time and sanity. Structure your feedback process. Request consolidated feedback by a deadline, not scattered messages. The clients who balk at contracts are the ones you want to avoid. Never start work without a signed contract and deposit. Use a designer-specific contract template. There are plenty online. Set your business hours and communicate them clearly. Explain your revision process up front. It might feel awkward at first, but it will save you endless headaches and earn you respect. Protect your business. Protect your sanity. Now let's wrap up. Those are the 4 business mistakes that can derail your design career. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just pick one and take action this week. Draft a simple business plan, open a business bank account, start marketing, or set up a contract template. One step is all it takes to move from creative to design entrepreneur. If you found this helpful, share it with a fellow designer. Want more strategies? Check out the videos on screen or visit thedesignlemonade.com for exclusive resources. Thanks for watching. Keep building smart and creative.